Alright, so here we have q equals 2 to the t power plus 2 to the negative t power. 2 to the t plus 2 to the negative t. Does this equation have a horizontal asymptote? Well, let's evaluate these two parts. Part 1 first. When t is this is the t. When t is equal to 0, 2 to the 0 power is equal to, anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. 2 is equal to the first power. Anything to the first power is equal to itself. That's 2. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. So here's 2. 2 to the first power is equal to 2. Is to 1. 2 to the 2 power is equal to 4. That puts it here. 2 to the third power so we've got ourselves 2 to the third equals 8. And you can see that 2 to the 1,000,000th power and billionth power, it's going towards infinity here. So this part is humongomoid. It's going to infinity, Now we're going to add to it. What are we going to add to it? We're going to add to it whatever is 2 to the negative t. What is 2 to the negative t? Well, let's take this guy and move him over a little bit. Put a negative sign there. 2 to the negative t. And we'll put negative signs in front of these guys. Oh, one of them really looked bad. That was super bad. And we'll do a negative 2 there. That looks good. And we have to change this stuff. 2 to the 0th power, well, that's really equal to 2 to the negative t is really equal to what? 1 over 2 to the t power. That's what this is equal to. Alright, 1 over 2 to the 0 is 1... That's 1 over 1. 1 over 2 to the 0, that's a 1. 1 over 2 to the first is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2 to the negative 2 is 1 over 2 squared. That's equal to 1 over 4. 2 to the negative 3 is 1 over 2 to the third. And that's equal to 1 over 8. You can see that this thing is headed not to infinity, but it's getting smaller and smaller, and it's going to 0. So this thing over here is going to 0. Like so. So, what do we do? What to do? What to do? Well, the big question is, how much is infinity plus 0? It's infinity. So this thing is going up, this thing is going up, and rather rapidly. Like so. And at each stage along the way, I have to add a plus almost 0. Plus 0. Does that really have an effect on it? No. It's going to infinity. This whole thing, this whole graph is going to infinity. This graph is going to infinity. So we say that there is no horizontal, abbreviation, no horizontal asymptote to this graph. No, no, no. Here is a bigger picture of the whole. That's it. I'm out of here. So long now.